The Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, which was officially launched back in January 2022, remains a remarkably capable, highly versatile, and attractive choice for many smartphone users, even in today's competitive market. With its balanced performance, versatile camera setup, and immersive display, it still stands as a reliable mid-range flagship option in a competitive market. The S21 FE features a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and a pixel density of around 411 ppi. Supporting a 120 Hz refresh rate, it delivers smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions, making it enjoyable for gaming and everyday use. The peak brightness levels can reach all the way up to 1200 nits, which effectively ensures excellent visibility even when you are outdoors in direct sunlight. Taking a closer look at the overall design and build quality, the Galaxy S21 FE is constructed with a high-quality aluminum frame paired with a durable polycarbonate back, successfully maintaining a premium feel in the hand while remaining impressively lightweight at about 177 grams. It strikes a comfortable balance between screen size and portability. The device comes in multiple attractive finishes, including graphite, white, lavender, and olive, appealing to users who value personalization. Performance is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. It handles multitasking, media streaming, and moderate gaming smoothly. For casual users, the experience remains fluid, but power users may notice thermal throttling and quicker battery drain under heavy loads. The S21 FE houses a triple camera system, a 12-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. The 32-megapixel front camera still impresses for selfies and video calls, maintaining strong detail and clarity. Video recording up to 4K at 60 FPS ensures solid performance. Battery life comes from a 4,500 mAh cell, which delivers a full day of moderate use when well maintained. The phone supports 25-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G remains a dependable and well-rounded smartphone to this day. Its smooth display, reliable performance, and versatile camera system keep it relevant for existing users. It still delivers strong value, while budget-conscious buyers may find it a worthwhile option if priced attractively on the refurbished or secondhand market.